Color options and insane pricing for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra is out, but let's talk about the color options and then we'll talk about the pricing. Although if you are concerned about the pricing, Fold 7 is on a massive deal right now from Samsung listed in this video, or if you want to pre-order, I will add the pre-order link later in this video. Now, talking about the color options of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra, we got a picture from a source where we got both Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Now, the Fold 8 Ultra will be coming with violet shadow, cream, graphite and violet green. The violet green is actually online exclusive. The other three are actually normal model which you can buy from a shop. Now talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 8, we're going to get a lavender, cream, graphite and pistachio, where the pistachio is an online exclusive color. Now talking about the lavender, we already saw a dummy image of the lavender color of Galaxy Z Fold 8 and it looks amazing and it's a new form factor and we really want to try it out. But if you saw a price tag on Z Fold 8 Ultra and Z Fold 8, well, this is actually an Australian dollar, not the US dollar. So when we convert Australian dollars to US dollar, the new pricing will be $2,081 for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and $1,873 for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. That means we're going to get $2,100 for the Z Fold 8 Ultra and $1,899, which is $1,900 for the Galaxy Z Fold 8, which is almost equal to Galaxy Z Fold 6 2 years ago. Now, if we talk about the pricing, yes, the pricing is increased because the RAM options are quite expensive this time and Samsung has no other option but to increase the pricing. Samsung stick with the same pricing with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but they have to increase the price with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Now we got more details about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra. iOS Universe actually talking about this phone is not the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, instead it's the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now there are a few things that we need to talk about. In a couple of days we made this video and now there is a contradiction between the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and the Fold 7. According to iOS Universe, after watching the original video over and over again, I'm convinced it isn't the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. So he brings out 3 points that we're going to talk about in this video. The inner display camera cutout is too large. Compared with the official Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra renders, the inner camera hole on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is notably smaller. The one in the leaked video is still larger Fold 7 style cutout. Honestly speaking, yes, it almost looked like the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and if we compare with the render, it's kind of looking the same because we cannot judge it just by looking at it. If we don't have the actual phone side by side, we cannot decide if this phone is right or the other one. The second thing, the rear camera housing doesn't match. The cylindrical camera housing reflects light with the bright metallic shine, which is much more consistent with the blue Galaxy Z Fold 7 than the black Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Some of the hardware details also don't line up. Now, this point is actually right because we got that shiny metallic rings on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 compared to no on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, because if we see the renders, there is no shine on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The third thing he said, which is probably one of the most important thing and probably one of the most effective way to decide if this is a Fold 7 or a Fold 8 Ultra, the inner display is still highly reflective. The device in the video shows obvious screen reflections. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is the first phone to feature an anti-reflective inner display film. Anyone familiar with the Samsung Foldable should immediately notice that reflection doesn't look like this. Based on these 3 points, I'm confident the device in this video is a blue Galaxy Z Fold 7, not the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. According to the source, these are the specs of Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide. The actual thickness of the phone is 4.5mm when unfolded and 9.7mm when folded. So it is slightly thicker compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and even folded and unfolded, because the folded thickness is 9.7mm compared to 8.9mm on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The massive thing is the weight of the phone, 201 grams. That is absolutely massive on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Even some of the sources who actually use the Galaxy Z Fold 8, they said this feels extremely light, and it is obviously one of the lightest foldable phone in the market with just 201 grams compared to 215 on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra or Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, the display sizes are also out, 7.6 inches with the main display with the 4:3 aspect ratio and 5.5 inches Quad HD Plus display with 16:10 10 cover display, and we got two cameras in the back, 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor with f1.9 aperture and a 50 megapixel main sensor with f1.8. The front camera will be 10 megapixel and f2.2, and it is coming with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 3nm processor, and we are going to see a 12 gigs of RAM and 3 storage variants, 256 gigs, a 512 gigs, and a 1TB version, and a 4800 mAh battery with a super fast charging. Probably it'll going to feature a 45 watt fast charging just like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and all of the previous Galaxy phones, and even the Ultra is going to get a 45 watt fast charging, unlike the Flip, which is only getting a 25 watt. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.